Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to restore the automatic updates feature in Windows 7 RTM. Now before we start the tutorial, I want to mention that I'm not responsible for anything that goes wrong with your system. I highly recommend trying this on a virtual machine first before doing it on actual hardware. Now before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to the channel as it helps out the channel a ton. Now before we begin, you need to make sure that you download the latest Visual Studio C++ runtimes all in one package and the WSUS_proxy_nt5.zip files from the description below and extract them. Now let's begin. So first we need to right click on the install_all batch file and click on run as administrator, then click yes. And then it's going to install all the latest Visual Studio C++ runtimes that are supported on Windows 7. Alright, so now that's installed all the latest Visual Studio C++ runtimes, we can go ahead and set up the WSUS proxy. So we can close out of this window and open the WSUS_proxy_nt5 folder. So we need to right click on the add_WSUS batch file and click run as an administrator, then click yes. And then once it's finished, you can just close out of the window and then do the same thing for the run_WSUS batch file. So we're going to do that, click run as administrator, click yes. And then if you get this pop-up, just click allow access. And you want to keep this window open when you're checking for updates, downloading updates, and installing updates, because this is how Windows 7 RTM is going to connect to Microsoft's update servers. So now we can click on the start button, then click control panel, then click system and security, then click Windows Update. And now if your screen looks like this where it says turn on automatic updating, just click this button. It says turn on automatic updates, and then it's going to check for updates. And there we go, we now have the screen that says install new Windows Update software. Now this is how you know it's worked, because if it didn't, we get an error code, but in this case we didn't. And you can also see in the proxy window here, there's some stuff going on, so that's how we know it's working. So you can just click install now, and it's going to install the latest Windows Update agent through Windows Update. And there we go, just like that, it's found available updates. So that's how to restore the automatic updates feature in Windows 7 RTM. So, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like my videos. Thanks, have a great day.